Look at that beautiful sunset. It's hard not to enjoy working, and this kind of stuff is your view. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Well, what are we doing? It is 8:10 on a Monday evening. We are tearing up the dirt in this guy, Toro. There's a lot of spots that are deeper. There. There's a lot of loose stuff, kind of nasty. We're putting it outside because right here, there we go. Because there's a big bump there, and when we drove the trailer, it jarred you. And so, here, we'll kind of good example right here. So we're filling areas in with the dirt from in here, and then we'll put compactable dirt in here. That way, it's not like loose, it's not hard, but it's, we can roll stuff on it, but even. So that's what we're doing today. I'll keep you updated at the new shop. Woo.